Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in Sofitel and we are spending the day with your favorite girl group, Beanie. Hello! Eto na sila. Eto na. Hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? Oh my God. Excited na ako kumain tayo. And guys, I'm gonna do the Beanie thing. Kilalang ko. Alright. Mamon. Wow. Mika. Fairness. Homer. Sheena. Stacy. Aya. Joanna. Come on. Here's 3 tickets na daw ako.
So, galing ko sa word ng English yung baby. Ang pinaka-goal namin is to inspire kapag-aan. Lalo na nagsimula po kami at an early age, 15, 16. So, parang gusto namin parang sa kanila na walang age yung pagkakot sa